Honey, I'm home. What is up, my fellow YouTubers? You know who it is. It's Princess. I'm back. And I think permanently, but it's gonna be a couple changes, especially for next year. For one, this is like technically not a unboxing video because I may have opened up the box a little early yesterday. I came in the mail yesterday. Sorry guys, but let's just pretend it's an unboxing video. So let's get started. First thing first, I want to have everyone get to know me a little bit. Hi, my name is Princess. I'm currently in Michigan. I am a part-time student at University of Massachusetts, going for BBA for entrepreneurship. If you haven't seen my very first video, I am probably going to redo that video. It's just I kind of feel like I need to improve a little bit. So far I kind of got like this confidence in my voice and recording myself, and yeah, so yeah. So a day after Christmas, went to Best Buy. They didn't have what I wanted, but I got it ordered and it shipped and it came to my apartment, and they said it was supposed to come on the 2nd of January, but it came yesterday. So this is the Sony ZV1F camera. Looks really nice. I don't know if this piece here can extend. I don't know. If for those that do know, please let me know, because I want to know. But y'all, this camera, I love it. It's really, really nice. I took it to the zoo yesterday to test it out. One thing that the quality at night, I don't know if I'm doing this right, because I've watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to get it together. I watched a couple videos on the unboxing, the reviews before I bought it, because I didn't want to like purchase anything where I didn't feel like I was wasting my money a bit, if you guys get what I mean. And I feel like I didn't waste my money at all. Like, I like this camera, but it's just one thing I don't really like is, hi Bean. Yes, Bean is back again. But we also have a new family member, so this is little Bean. Hi Bean, little Bean. Sorry guys, you know she gotta get in. And then I don't know if you guys can see little Ginger. His name is Ginger. He's new to the family now. Excuse me. You're in my recording area. She's in my recording area. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Anyways, if she would move. Okay, I'm just gonna have to hold it like this because she's in my way. Yeah, the only thing I didn't like about the camera, in the dark, you could barely see, like, it didn't really have like that night vision type of thing, but it was worth it. So camera quality in this, highly recommend. Another thing I don't like is this, and I've seen a couple of little fuzzy microphone cover, wind cover things on Amazon, and I watched the video. I will add all the videos that I have watched that gave me a understanding in the description, including where I got it and a couple more equipments that will be like relaxing to you guys, so to where, like, you know, you kind of want to put your camera up and record. So yeah, this morning I literally just got off work. I literally just got off work around like 12, so it's like what, maybe around like 12:20, 12:30 right now. And work was chill. It's really chill. You know, they're cutting my hours. Gotta love it, right? But hey, this is why we're on YouTube. We wanna have like somewhat of a career going on here. So yeah, I finally got my spot back to put my phone tripod back where I want it, because it's not on my desk anymore. Give me a second. So yeah, Sony ZV1F. This is like my first ever purchase. And I've never had like a vlogging camera before. One thing I do see is that, you know, if you have like oily hands, sometimes my hands like to get really sweaty and stuff, and it can show up. It can show up on here. But this morning I did try to like record while I was at work, because I looked it up and it said 13 hours of recording time. So I don't know if that's like, you know, true or not. But when I came back, because my camera was facing down, because somebody likes to get on my desk. It was one of y'all on my desk while I was at work. But it's okay. So it said battery exhausted, so maybe that was because like it died and my dumbass didn't plug it up. But that's why it's gonna be charging in a minute. But yeah, let's turn it on. Well, first things first, I want to show you like what's on here. Give me a second. Yes, you can remove this. It has let's see if I can. This is one thing I'm not going to miss once I get this thing set up. I am not going to miss doing this all day. It's gonna drive me nuts. But yeah, you could just slide it out from here. Microphone, or, you know, speaker, I believe. Or I think this, where is it? I think this is the speaker here on the side. If you can see it, I'm sorry. Well, let me move my big ass head. I don't know if that's it or not. But then it also has a little like lanyard here where you put your lanyard. And I have a couple of cute accessories that I want to put on here, but there's also case that I want to put on here as well. So I will be showing that off in the next video whenever I get time, because soon I will be going back to school, January 8th or the 9th, and I'm officially a sophomore. I'm not a senior. I'm not a freshman anymore, so I'm proud of myself. I came a long way. So this is the second step of doing what I've actually been wanting to do for a very long time. And that's where I want to somewhat help you guys too, so that you guys are not being steered in the wrong direction, because I have heard a lot of stories where people are steered in the wrong direction where they thought they were going, but they weren't. But yes, screen can flip think, is it this way? Yes, it can flip this way. And it can close right back in. I guess it's to protect it. Then you have, I wish it would work for me. Then you have the little dial here. Oh, it doesn't want to work. Come on. It has like the little dial here. If you can see, it's moving. You turn it on. How you would know it's on, the button, and then how you would know it's charging, I'll plug it up to show you. It also has like these different ports here, microphone, charging, and HDMI. So this is the charging piece here. I have a little stuck to the box. Actually, I'm gonna show off the box. When you order it, this is what it will come in. This is what the box will look like. Just like this. When I got mine, it was in a little bubble mailer thing. And I'm just like, damn, like it was in a box. But yeah, it'll look just like this. Just like this when you order it. But I saw my little portable charger. It's solar panel. I'll also add that in the link below. It does have like a little compass. Y'all, I'm so mad. I just sat here and recorded a video on why my phone wasn't working, and the video has no volume. Does God not want me to post this this video like possibly today? And I posted it on Instagram and I said that I would post it possibly today. It just I guess we're not gonna get our way today. My phone wants to be a jerk and say that I have full storage, so it doesn't want to like let me record the camera. So I had to record myself with the camera and show off like the quality a little bit. Just to explain, like I said in my other video, that we took a zoo trip. It was me and my fiance and his friends, and well, I'm gonna say they're my friends too. And we went to the zoo and they had like little like lights set up that looks like animals and stuff. It was really nice. And I am currently in Detroit, Michigan. So there are a lot of activities here and a lot of things that you can do while you're, you know, staying in Detroit. A lot of people don't think so. A lot of people think that Detroit is just run down and ghetto and it's just, you know, there had to be a dang garbage truck coming today. Like right now, around this time, really. Like, this is what I mean. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just not my time to record yet. Like, I'm trying to put this video together and I can't because there's so many things going on. So yes, like I said, I know y'all can hear this. I know y'all can hear this. Like, I'm waiting for it to hurry up so I can finish saying what I want to say. Hello everyone. I had so many like technical difficulties with the sound in the background and my phone doing what it was doing, and it's just the video didn't go as how I really wanted to record it, but hoping that you guys kind of get the gist of what I wanted to demonstrate on the camera. But I hope you guys enjoy the videos that I took with the camera. There were, like I said, a couple of pros and cons. The extremely bright of the lights, but you know, that's how most cameras are. And at the end of the day, I really love this camera, especially when I recorded myself when my phone was acting up. You can tell that it had really good quality in the lenses. So hoping you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you guys would want me to explain in my next video. Hoping that I will be posting another one probably this Monday, or it all depends on whenever I have a little bit of free time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a very awesome new year.